Hey love, Kristen here on Team KCP. Just a short video to show you how to run your free human design chart from your phone. Now, I'm on an iPhone. This may look different on an Android or a Google phone. So here you can see I'm on freehumandesignchart.com. I've gone ahead and typed in the information and just put in our admin email. And just to show you, this chart software has the option you can pick AM or PM, so just pay attention to that because time will matter in running your chart. So very simply, that's it. You just type in your information, click view your chart. This opens up here. Obviously, it's going to fit, the portion of my screen depending on what size phone I have. So it looks like this. If you scroll down, it gives you all of this information. So popped up, as you can see right here. If I want to, mind you, I'm on a phone, right? So it's going to be different downloading it on your phone versus on a computer. So if I hit download PDF, all that does is open up an actual PDF on my phone, and I can hit the little box down at the bottom, the little square with the arrow in it, and then I can decide to airdrop it or share it or save it to some kind of file on my phone. So if you want to save it to your computer, then I would just recommend either dropping it, like if you have a Mac, you can just airdrop it to your computer or save it to a file or email it to yourself or save it or text it to yourself. You can save it in a myriad of ways. But then, or you can always just hop on your computer and just run your chart again and then hit download, save download on your computer, and then you can save it that way. And then you have your chart both ways. But if you're just wanting like to do this on the go, then you have your chart here that you can look at. You can screenshot it. I mean, there's multiple options, but as you saw, it's pretty easy and pretty quick to run on your phone. Okay, and as you can see now, we've hopped over to the computer. I'm on a Mac in Safari, and so this is what it looks like here. You can obviously use Chrome or another web browser, but this is what everything looks like here. So we're on freehumandesignchart.com, same website. Okay, the chart is up here at the top, so we're just going to go ahead and type in the same information. So on the computer, you can actually start typing in, and then that year will pop up versus having to scroll down through the whole list. Let's see, May 12th, and then for the hour. So same thing here. I can hit 2, and then my times with the 2 option popped up. So it's 2 p.m. and I'm just going to type 35, and then 35 pops up. So I want to click that. And again, New York. As soon as I start typing, it populates the city and state and place that it thinks that I'm trying to type out. So I'm just going to go ahead and select New York City. And then for the email address, I'm just going to type in our admin email. And then click view your chart. And what happens, it takes you to this next page here, where this is going to look different. This is just showing you on this screen. When I hit download PDF, it's going to look different, and I'll show you that in a moment. But just here on this next screen, it gives you a snapshot glance at your chart. So you can stay here and check it out, or you can go ahead and click download PDF. And then this is what's happening here on my Mac. I'm going to allow it. And then I'm going to click my downloads here. I could also go to my Finder window and click my downloads to open up the chart, but I'm going to open it up here, and it opens up here in a PDF. And now it's on my computer. I can rename this. I can save this wherever I want on my computer in my files. And you can see your chart here, which gives you a bunch of information about type and strategy, your inner authority, definition, profile, your cross, your emotional theme, and channels. And so it kind of just gives you a little snapshot blurb about each of those areas on your chart. And here's all that information, and here's your chart. So as you can see, this looks a little bit different than it did on the screen. Here, this layout looks a little bit different than it does when you actually get to download the PDF. And that's it. Hopefully that helps show you how you can save it, run it, and save it from your phone or on your computer.